Visual communications, or VisCom, is how we communicate through visuals.
I decided to take visual communications because I always have loved making art.
The class is available for students grades 9 through 12. It's a great way to get at foundations in graphic design and art. So if you have an interest in interior design or apparel design, graphic design, or art, this is a great class to start.
I took visual communications because I was interested in doing art on the computer.
You learn beginning graphic design skills and foundational art skills. We use physical art materials in combination with digital materials like scanners, digital drawing tablets, and the Adobe Creative Suite software.
I saw that there's this class that was like Photoshop and digital art, and I had absolutely no experience with any sort of thing like that.
Each student gets their own computer account and can log into the Adobe Creative Suite at home.
So we do assignments that are similar to things that we would be paid for in the real world, like creating a logo or creating a small design for a button or something that's actually useful. Cool. She also talks about how the process is important and how we can't just turn in like one design and say this is it, like this is the only option you have. We have to have multiple variations of it in case the person we're working for doesn't like the first one.
VisCom is a great place to exercise your creativity. If you like art and you like computers and you're curious about those things, Visual Communications is a great program to start. It gives you a foundation that will lead to other classes like design and illustration or upper level art classes.
Also a lot of life advice that comes out of an art class, because you have to try so many different things and you have to be willing to make it up as you go, but also to go back and clean things up and think about what you could have done better.